Hello and welcome back to Off Grid Style. I'm Nikki. Thank you for being here today. So today we're discussing tips for long-term water storage, which is kind of important. Well, definitely important, especially with everything going on in the world today. We all need to know how to store our water more long-term. And so that is what this video is all about. So let's find out and get started. Storing drinking water long term. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing. Storing drinking water for long term is a crucial aspect of emergency preparedness. Disasters, either natural or man-made, can disrupt the water supply, making access to clean drinking water challenging. Today, we're going to look at the importance of long-term water storage, the methods to achieve it, and tips for maintaining the water's quality. First, let's discuss the importance of long-term water storage. Having a reliable source of drinking water is vital during disasters, ensuring you and your family's safety and well-being. Long-term water storage enhances your ability to withstand disruptions in the water supply, whether caused by natural disasters, infrastructure failures, or other emergencies. Methods for long-term water storage. Choose food-grade water storage containers, such as BPA-free plastic or glass. Alternatively, you can use 55-gallon drums or water barrels designed for long-term storage. Water stored in thoroughly clean plastic or glass containers can be chemically disinfected for long-term storage by treating each gallon with 4 to 5 drops of unscented liquid chlorine bleach, like Clorox or Purex, containing 4% to 6% sodium hypochlorite. 1 teaspoon of bleach can disinfect 5 gallons of water. Be sure your containers are tightly sealed to prevent contamination. Also, use lids designed for long-term storage. Store your water containers in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight to prevent bacterial growth. Next, let's talk about maintaining your water's quality. Regularly rotate your stored water to maintain its freshness. The recommended rotation period is every 6 to 12 months, depending on the storage conditions. Consider investing in a water filter or purifier that can remove impurities and make stored water safe to drink, even after extended storage. Periodically, check your stored water for signs of contamination, such as unusual odors, discoloration, or particles. If your water appears compromised, do not drink it. If you live in a cold climate, protect your water storage containers from freezing, as ice expansion can damage them. Insulate or relocate your containers as needed. Now let's look at some tips for successful long-term water storage. Clearly label each container with the date of storage to help with rotation. Remember to use only clean, food-grade containers and purify the water before storage. Periodically inspect your containers and the water within, ensuring that the seals remain intact. Designate some water for immediate emergency use and some for longer-term storage, allowing for efficient rotation. Encourage responsible water use within your household, ensuring that the stored water lasts as long as possible. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Long-term water storage is an essential component of emergency preparedness. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know your thoughts. You know I always love to hear from you. What do you do as far as water storage is concerned? Do you have any long-term tips or tricks that you've found that work for you? I'd love to hear from you. Please like, comment, subscribe, all those good things, and I'll see you again soon.